There is a planet in space about 635 light-years away from where you are sitting. The first planet discovered inside the habitable zone of a sun-like star. Its name is Kepler 22b. When a planet is located in the habitable zone of a star, it means that liquid water is likely to exist on its surface. And where there is water, there is the possibility of life. Human life. Kepler 22b is a planet located in the constellation of Cygnus, about 635 light-years away from Earth. It was discovered by NASA's Kepler spacecraft in December 2011 and is considered one of the most Earth-like planets ever found. But what would it be like to live on Kepler 22b? The first thing to consider is the planet's gravity. Kepler 22b is about 2.4 times the size of Earth, which means that its gravity is significantly stronger. If you were to stand on its surface, you would feel about twice as heavy as you do on Earth. Moving around and carrying objects would be much more challenging, and you would need to adjust to the increased physical strain on your body. Despite the higher gravity, Kepler 22b is located within the habitable zone of its star, which means that it's at a distance where liquid water could exist on its surface. If there is water on the planet, it could be in the form of oceans, lakes, or rivers, and the planet's atmosphere could support clouds and weather patterns. If humans were able to establish a colony on Kepler 22b, it would likely be very different from anything on Earth. The planet's climate and seasons would be determined by factors such as its distance from its star and the length of its day and year, which are currently unknown. The conditions on the planet's surface could also be very different from Earth, with unique ecosystems and geological formations. It would be a new world to explore and discover. However, living on Kepler 22b would also present significant challenges. The planet's star is slightly smaller and cooler than our Sun, which means that the planet receives less sunlight and its climate could be cooler overall. Growing crops and providing food for a colony could be difficult, and we would need to rely on advanced technology and sustainable practices to survive in such an environment. Producing energy would also be a challenge, as the planet's higher gravity would require more energy to launch rockets and build infrastructure. We would need to develop advanced technologies to generate energy from renewable sources and minimize our impact on the planet's environment. Despite the challenges, the potential for habitability and the opportunity to explore a new world could make living on Kepler 22b an exciting and worthwhile adventure. The planet's unique environment could provide new insights into the origins of life and the formation of planetary systems. It could also be a stepping stone for humanity's expansion into the cosmos, paving the way for future generations to explore and colonize other worlds. While we may never be able to visit Kepler 22b in person, the discoveries we make about this and other exoplanets will continue to expand our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Kepler 22b presents an opportunity for us to imagine what life could be like on a different planet, and to explore the challenges and possibilities of living in a new world. Future exoplanet missions may uncover more details about this intriguing distant world, but what we know, or suspect, so far paints an entirely different picture than the one which has been presented on screen. Still, even if future knowledge eliminates Kepler 22b from the pool of habitable planets, the science of exoplanet research is making one thing abundantly clear. The galaxy, and the universe, is absolutely littered with worlds, many of them probably capable of sustaining life of a kind. The future of space exploration is bright and alluring. Let's just hope that future exploration is fueled by a hunger for knowledge, and not a flight from danger, or from ourselves.